these trades will hit a 3R. They will go way, way, way more than that. Here we go here. Here we go. Come on. Push up now. Come on. 3 grand. That's it. 3,600, 3,800, 4 grand. Bang! Yes! Ah! If you're watching this video, I'm currently freezing in Lapland. It's -16, and literally, I don't even know why we're going, because it's just me and my wife, and we're not going with our stepson. So I have absolutely no clue why we're going. I've been on like 20 holidays this year, and I'm just like, okay, where are we going? I pay the bill, and that is it. Like, I don't do any of the organisation. In fact, I can't even organise a BD Christmas party. I have to get my members to do it for me. But yeah, so I'm currently freezing in Lapland. We're staying in like a log cabin in the Arctic Circle. And I woke up this morning and I'm like, I haven't even got a coat. Like, I've got a coat, but not a coat for -16 degrees. But I'm glad I like looked at the temperature, because normally what I'll do is I'll just pack shorts and t-shirts and that is it, off I go. And I'm like, oh great, didn't plan for this one, did I? But yeah, I'm really enjoying my trading at the minute. Like, really enjoying my trading at the minute, which is good, right? Because if you don't enjoy your trading, what is the point? Like, literally, what is the point? I think you're gonna... I say most people self-sabotage themselves. Like, most people are frustrated, they're getting distracted, they're just losing money. And the reason why is probably because of their own actions, right? They're just not focusing, they're chasing trades, they're getting distracted, and, you know, it just leads to frustration. And I think, you know what, if you just focus at one thing, you might be good at it. So you've joined us at 10:26 a.m. in the morning. I'm currently still listening to Bloomberg Terminal. That tells you how like focused I am still trading, because every morning I get up at 5 o'clock. I listen to Bloomberg for the latest stock news and etc. going over my investments. It's still dark in New York. I've got my headphones on, and let's go over some trades. So first of all, let's go over my robot, right? Because my robot, right? When I say I'm smashing it, my robot is also smashing it, because if the binary destroyer is producing a lot of winners, then so is my robot, because it's built from the binary destroyer, right? I'm currently running it on an FTMO challenge account, but, and I'm not even joking you, right? We do this thing where we turn it on for 1 trade a day. And I just want to show you my 1 trade a day. So let me just bring up my account here. I'll post it in the group, right? So this is the day, this is the week so far, and this is the month. So 1 trade a day, right? I'm going to post it in this group chat here, and we all turn it on. Look, you can see here, trade today, now turned off till tomorrow. Again, another one here. So like I said, these members have been smashing it. Up 32% since I started a month ago. Again, another one there, another one there, another one there. Kind of like, as you can see here, right? It just goes on and on and on. So we'll all do this every single day. We turn it on, and it takes 1 trade a day. Obviously, there are members that leave it on for 24/7, which is fine. But the only reason why I turn it off for 1 trade a day is because I could use a tight stop loss and compound the trading account. And obviously, if you're leaving it on 24/7, you're exposing yourself to every market cycle, London, New York, Asian, every news event. So I like to kind of run it for 1 trade a day with a tight stop loss. So it means you can kind of like compound the trading account super fast. I mean, that guy made what, 32%? So this is mine. This is today. This is the week. This is the month. And that's it. That's just taking 1 trade a day, which is insane. And obviously, if it has a stop loss, it hits the stop loss. That's it. You just turn it off and back on the next day. And that is it. I'm happy with that one. Everybody's smashing it with Mogwai Reversal. As you can see here, beautiful trade. I mean, if you go over the blue alerts, just go over this one here. So if I just go over some blue alerts here. Again, blue alert. No, yeah, blue alert. Nice, nice. I mean, these members are smashing it. with the blue alerts. Look at that blue alert. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that one. And that brings me on to what we're going to do in today's video is we are going to take a blue alert for 1 to 3 on gold. And I swear to you, man, like this doesn't get... I love my trade at the minute. It doesn't get any simpler, right? So if you watch Tuesday's video, I was going on about the blue alerts, 15-second time frame, 1 minute higher time frame. Just go for a 1 to 3. I swear to God, today's Tuesday, right? Let me show you Mondays, right? So this was all Monday's trading session, okay? Just the blue alerts, right? So this is going to be Mondays here, okay? I'm going to put this like here. So this was the first trade of the day, right? For a 1 to 3. So straight off the back at 6:45, first trade of the day was a straight 1 to 3. I mean, it's insane, right? As you can see here, this is going to go up. This is going to go up here. You get the idea. Hold on. I'm super excited, right? I'm going to place a trade on the lower time frames today just to kind of prove my madness, right? But I mean, honestly, this is nuts, right? This is better than SMC. I mean, SMC goes for massive risk rewards, and look what you got to do for that, right? Fair value gaps to liquidity. I don't know, right? I'm just making stuff up now. I don't know SMC, but I mean, look, there's a straight 1 to 3, and that was just taking a blue alert. If I just go on to the next one here, hold on here, hold on, I'm gonna have to keep pressing play. So obviously that was the first trade of the day. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my camera ran out of memory. Like I literally save everything on my camera and then forget to delete it. But anyway, right? So back to the simulation. So that was yesterday. Beautiful trade, 1 to 3. And then this was a loss. So obviously we took a loss. So we're down now. Well, we obviously lost 1%, but we're still up 2% for the day. Okay, so if we leave that now and we just go over since then. So obviously that was that loss. Where was it? Hold on. Friday, here we go here, right? So obviously that was that loss there. And then we got nothing. We literally had nothing all day. And then at the end, we had this beauty. Just look at that masterpiece of a sell. Now, I'm not even joking you, right? Everybody took this trade except for me. Like, look here, right? So this was last night when this setup appeared. Where is it? Here. Here we go here. So this was the trade. Here we go here. Everybody caught that sell trade. Oh my God, but let's milk this. Partials out of that trade. Where was the trade here? Here it was here. So this was the sell, the 15 seconds. Yikes. Damn, it flew to 3R. And yeah, I completely missed it. And since then, obviously we don't take these because it's during Asian session. And that is it. We haven't had a setup since then. But you know what? I keep saying it. These blue alerts on gold are phenomenal, right? So I'm going to take a trade for you right now. And just to show you my trading results, just to show you transparency, right? I have only took one trade today. So currently, look. Right, no open trade, 71 grand. I have took one trade today and it was a loss on London Open. Right, so there you go there. So I have had a loss to start my day. But I've got an opportunity to get it back. I've got an opportunity to do it live in front of you. So let's do it. Let's take a trade, right? Now, obviously, at the minute, nothing's happening. Like literally, the markets have opened up flat. Like, look. That is since the market's opened up on gold. And if gold hasn't moved a lot since London Open, that tells you a lot. So what we're going to do is I'm going to see if I can get some setups on the lower time frames on gold. In fact, I'm going to have to sit in... Well, we're just going sideways in a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and come back because every time frame is going sideways. So I'm going to find you a setup and we're going to take it live. Hopefully on gold. Well, it has to be on gold, right? Because I want to make some decent money before I fly away to Lapland. So I'll be coming straight back. Okay, we are finally popped our signal. You know what? I've been waiting here for about, I don't know, a couple of hours. Well, I haven't actually been waiting here. I've been kind of coding the alerts on CTrader and just moving some Bitcoin. But anyway, I've got my sell. You know what, right? Everybody in this group is eyeing up this exact trade, right? So I'm in this trade on my prop firm account. I'm also in it on my live account. I'm going to take another trade. Yeah, right. So hold on, let me show you. I'm not going to take another trade. Hold on here. I'm trying to do two things at once. Right. Okay. So that is my live account, 71 grand. Do you remember? Okay, that's my only gold trade. Just to show you, I've only got that one loss so far, okay, on Euro USD. So obviously one trade, as you can see there, it's still up. And I'm also took this on my prop firm account, but it's giving me a margin call at the minute. I definitely took this trade in too big of a lot size. This is that stupid prop firm challenge. So I bought this prop firm challenge, and then all the members told me not to buy it because the leverage was like a 1 to 10. So like a 25 grand account, the biggest I can go into is a 0.1 lot size. Like that is it. So yeah, I've kind of wrote that one off. It's pointless. But anyway, I'm in gold. We've also got, this is an absolute perfect trade. I mean, look at the second pullback here. So not only do we have the first pullback, not only do we have the second pullback. Oh my God, if I go down to the 15 minutes, thank you very much. So I'm in this trade now. We're going to go for a 1 to 3. This is going to be my first 1 to 3 trade ever with the blue alerts, and you're witnessing it here. So first of all, I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit, haven't I? Right. So obviously stop loss, I'm going to put it just above the high. So let's just call it 500. Yeah, to keep it simple. So 500 for 1500, which is going to be just there. I bet everyone else is in this same trade. Yeah, I knew everybody else would be in the same trade as me. Shorts on gold. Everybody's like, yeah, thumbs up, shorts on gold. So yeah, here we go here. My first 1 to 3. Come on! Beautiful. I'm now up £1,000 on my on this here. I'm just curious on though. Yeah, I mean, I'm getting a margin level on my prop firm account. I'm not really sure what I should do with this one. I might just take partials on. I'm gonna have to take partials on the prop firm challenge, right? Because the fact that it's saying that I haven't got enough margin left. I actually took the, no joke, wow, I didn't even take that trade at a 0.10. I took the, look at the lot size I've gone in at. I've gone in the smallest lot size you can use, 0.01, and I'm getting like literally no margin left. That is madness, isn't it? Leverage makes a huge difference, doesn't it, when you think about it? Like, wow. And then the same trade, 71 grand, I've gone in with 5 lots on my live account, and there's absolutely no issue at all. But yeah, I'm in this trade. We're just going to hold out for a 1 to 3. I'm going to come back hopefully in the next, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and I'll update you on this trade. Right, I'm back, and I got stopped out at break even, which is frustrating. Look how far. You know what's funny, right, is I'm getting greedy here because I'm like, yeah, go for a 1 to 3. 1 to 3 is what you need. And then what happens? The trade literally goes to a 1 to 1, 1 to 2. So yeah, I got stopped out at break even just to show you transparency. Hold on here. There you go there. So again, no open trades. And again, stopped out at break even. Okay, like minus 59 quid. Okay, I'm going to see if I can take one more trade and then we're going to wrap it up. Okay, so I'll be back again. Right, I'm back. Sorry, I entered this, well, I didn't enter the trade late. I entered the trade and then I had to quickly go answer the door, right? So as you can see here, I'm just going to show you again 2 trades. You've just seen the loss, well, not lost, Just me being greedy, going for a 1 to 2, for 1 to 3. And again, I'm in this trade. Okay. So this one, we are going for a 1 to 3. No messing, right? Obviously stop loss and all that, so I don't lose the trade. And I mean stop loss to break even, okay? No partial. So on this one, because the blue, well, technically that was as well, but this one here, I'm going to go for a tighter stop loss on this one. So we're going to go for around a 350 and we are going to call, let's just call it 400 to make it easier. 400, so it'll be 1200, our 1 to 2, yeah? So that's going to be just there, okay? So trade number 3 for the day. Trade number 3, this one's going to hit a 1 to 3. And same again, I'll move my stop loss to break even at a 2R. Well, just under a 2R. So we'll see what happens here. Hopefully, I want to see what everyone else is saying on this trade. Did anyone else take this one here? Well, everyone obviously took that gold sell. They took profit because I got a bit greedy, as you can see there. What's this? Another gold buy. So someone's in gold buys on the 5 minutes again. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can hit a 3R and I don't have to pause the video. But like I said, we're currently up 400 quid, which is nice. I haven't took this on my prop firm account, just to let you know. The reason being is because, well, it's pointless me trading it, really. I can't even go in with big lot sizes to get margin called. But we'll see what happens with this. We will see. And then that will be my trading done for the day. So we will see. In fact, I'll come back again. I'll be back. Okay, we're just about to hit a 1 to 3. Hopefully. Don't do it weird last time. Okay, so I'm up £2,900, as you can see. You know what's funny, right? You know what's funny? Is while I was waiting for this trade to hit a 3R, I Googled, I went to ChatGPT, and I went like this. Here are some funny things that SMC stands for: sudden missing capital, scared money club, serious market chills, stress management, smart money crying. I'm like, yeah, that literally sums up SMC. I'm going to name this video brand new SMC Concepts, just to troll the SMC traders, because literally you've seen me, right? I've took 2 trades for you. One went for a 1 to 2, then stopped me out of break even. And this one's just about to hit a 3R, and it was just taking blue alerts on gold. And that is it. And I don't know who's more easier to upset and wind up, my wife or an SMC trader. Because if you ever have a conversation with an SMC trader, boy, oh boy, do they get defensive. I've got a funny feeling this trade is going to reverse right at that level, because that MACD has gone overbought. But you know what? We're going to hold on to it. You know why? Because we are fearless in trading. So literally one last push up. Literally one last push up, and we are out of this trade. The MACD's gone oversold. Just to say, I'm still down 59 quid. Okay, and you're probably sitting there right now. Why don't you take partials? And the reason being is because based on my logic, that's a scary thing. Based on my, with the members, that these trades will hit a 3R. They will go way, way, way more than that. Here we go here. Here we go. Come on. Push up now. Come on, 3 grand. That's it. 3,600, 3,800, 4 grand. Bang! Yes! Ah! Right, I'm out of that trade. I'm out of that trade. Done. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. My first 3R on gold. Now, technically, isn't really my first 3R, but it's my first kind of like 3R trade that I consciously went for a 3R. Because I've took a lot of trades in the past, right, where I've just kind of left them, haven't really set a take profit. I took my partials and I left it, and it's gone to like a 5R or 10R, but it's like I didn't know what I was going to do. This trade, I took it, I consciously set a 3R, and I didn't take any partials, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen, the brand new SMC Concepts for 2026. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the trading week. I'm done. See you all later. Take care. Peace out. Love ya.